Your family's highly educated, and yet you're still entrepreneurial.
Yes.
Can I ask you a question? Which do you think is more important for a young person, the education or the practical hands-on experience in operating within a business?
Both I would say important, because see, the basic education in the academic side is also very important. At the same time, the practical exposure in the industry is also extremely important.
Okay.
So both are, I would say 50-50, and you have to learn both the things, because without the basic fundamental, you can't do the superstructure. So the fundamental is your
See, some fundamental knowledge.
yes.
Do you think that applies with a liberal arts degree? If, for example, if your nephew or your kids went to university and studied art literature, do you think that would have been as useful as studying in a technical field as they did?
Whatever discipline you study, that's a different matter. See, what you learn while you are doing your studies, plus when you are pursuing studies, is very extremely important.
Okay.
Because see, basically, I wanted to tell you, when I was doing my undergraduation, I happened to visit one of the engineering industry here in Madurai, which is based out of Madurai, and they were doing railway signaling equipments manufacturing at those time. That was way back in 1983. And I was wondering, somebody sitting in Madurai is able to get a market throughout India. So basically, the place is not the matter of to decide on the business. So that was my the first fundamental principle that and when people suggested me to set up facilities in Bangalore and Chennai, we opted to Madurai because we wanted the family also to work in the business. That
Okay.
if I had set up this facility in Bangalore or Chennai, that situation could not have been possible. So that was one thing, and then we wanted to give back something to the people of Madurai. So basically, we wanted to give job opportunities for the people of Madurai. In 1990, there was no other organization in Madurai, giving employment opportunity for women in Madurai. And we were the first to provide employment opportunities for
And you're the biggest employer in the city today.
Correct, yeah, it's about 3,500 people.